is Jack. Jack likes to watch TV. This is Jack's wife Sue, who also likes to watch TV. Jack likes to watch sport on TV, and he also watches his favourite adventure films on Blu-ray. Sue prefers to watch soaps on TV and crime thrillers on DVD. But when the TV breaks down, there's a problem. No one gets to watch anything. Jack is not happy, and Sue is displaying withdrawal symptoms. Jack is under pressure to come up with a solution fast. Does he buy a new TV or go for a repair? A new TV would cost hundreds of pounds, and Jack's a bit short of cash. Fortunately, Jack discovers iFix IT Solutions, who explain why they are the best option. When iFix IT Solutions told Jack about their low-cost repair scheme, Jack knew it made sense. As well as being cheaper, it's environmentally friendly and it reduces waste and recycling. It also means Jack gets better value for money by making his TV last longer, and he saves even more by not having to replace it. iFix IT Solutions offers a unique and surprisingly cost-effective solution for the fast repair of all types of audio-visual and computing devices, including TVs, set-top boxes, DVD and Blu-ray players, games consoles, surround sound systems, audio equipment, PCs, laptops and much more. Job done! Now Sue is very happy, and Jack is happy too. iFix IT Solutions. Isn't life hard enough? To sign up or learn more, visit us today at ifix-it.biz or call 0845 46 36 126.